Hello everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign. So before anything else, of course, you have to log in to your Amazon account. You can go to any web browser and type amazon.com and sign up if you don't have an account yet. But if you have, all you have to do is to click sign in or log in. But first and foremost, what is Amazon ad or what are Amazon ads? Well, sellers won't receive the exposure they require to maintain their business if their product listing don't appear highly in Amazon's search engine. Amazon permits retailers to run sponsored adverts in an effort to level the playing field. Sellers can expose their goods to millions of Amazon customers through Amazon ads. It will promote their products. Advertisements build client loyalty, boost revenue, and increase brand exposure. To register, you just have to go to Amazon Ads and fill out some information there. But this is what it looks like. To start, you can choose your company type. We have here product listing, showcase your brand, and so on. So these are the features of Amazon Ads. We have here creative tools, creative assets. Also, we have here insights and planning. And also we have here other features like you can see your report or the status of your product, something like that. So it's very important and very useful to get promoted and, of course, the exposure of your products. Now, in order to unlock these features, you have to upgrade your plan or you have to pay for this. I mean, this is not for free, okay? So you need to add a payment method to launch your campaign. So if you're sure of that, then you can just set up your payment settings. You can choose deduct from payment or add credit or debit card. You just have to fill in the accounts or the details here. And then once done, you can now proceed or save your payment method. And yes, you can continue with the process. But anyway, since I can't do the payment process now, I will just give you a little bit idea about this, how to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign and what are the things you should do. Third-party vendors use the Amazon PPC or let's just say pay per click advertising network to get their goods in front of Amazon buyers. Sellers can build adverts for their goods using the Amazon PPC platform. Increased traffic, brand loyalty, and increased revenue can all be a result of these commercials. Pay per click means that marketers are only billed when a customer clicks on a product listing, which is very good when it comes to promoting your product and earn lots of money. So why PPC campaign is important? PPC is crucial for sellers since it enables them to take advantage of all the chances Amazon has to offer. The level of competition has only increased as a result of the recent surge of independent Amazon sellers. PPC levels the playing ground by allowing all the vendors the opportunity to publicly display their goods. You may position your goods among other multi-million dollar businesses using PPC without having to spend a fortune. So, why is it important to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign? And what are its benefits? Of course, it helps build brand awareness. Okay, so sellers can build brand awareness by running a PPC ad. Okay, you don't even need to get clicks on your ads. All you need to do is to get enough impressions. Also, it helps boost sales. Putting your products in front of paying customers is a good thing to generate sales. It helps improve your organic ranking and it helps you reach buyers, not window shoppers. Okay, reach buyers, not window shoppers. It gives you global reach and it can totally increase your income. That's the shortest way to say it. If you're going to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign and go to this Amazon ads and do everything here, if you have already paid for your bill, then you can start optimizing your Amazon and get lots of buyers and earn high income. So always remember that under PPC campaign, you have to choose your campaign name or choose the name of your campaign. Select the start and end date for your campaign. For a daily budget, Amazon allows you to set the maximum amount of money you want to spend on ads per day. For targeting, you can choose automatic or Let's just say you can also choose your campaign bidding strategy. We have here dynamic bids, down only, up and down, and fixed bids. And then you can create an ad group. You can create an ad group name and then select the products that you wish to advertise. And you can now launch campaign. So that's how to optimize your Amazon PPC campaign. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.